Let's admit it. Bathroom cleaning is everyone's nightmare chore. The very thought of scrubbing tiles, dealing with soap scum, or fighting stubborn toilet stains feels exhausting before you even start. You walk in and see foggy mirrors, watermarks on taps, maybe even a faint smell that refuses to leave. But what if I told you there are secret, almost magical hacks that can flip the script entirely? 1. The vinegar and baking soda magic show. Picture this. You're scrubbing tiles for the 5th time this month, and those yellowish stains just laugh at you. Traditional cleaners burn your nose with chemicals, but the grime refuses to budge. Frustrating, right? Now imagine pulling out 2 simple ingredients from your kitchen: vinegar and baking soda. You sprinkle a little baking soda over the stained area, spray vinegar on top, and suddenly it begins to fizz like a mini volcano. That bubbling reaction? That's science doing the heavy lifting for you. It breaks down soap scum, loosens grime, and even disinfects surfaces. You wait a few minutes, wipe with a cloth, and, like magic, the stains vanish. 2. Lemon power against water stains. Let's talk about another everyday frustration. Those ugly white mineral spots on your shiny faucets and shower heads. No matter how many times you wipe, they come back. It feels like your bathroom is constantly fighting against you. Here's the twist. The solution is sitting in your fruit basket. A lemon. Cut it in half and rub it directly on the stained faucet. Within seconds, the acid from the lemon dissolves the mineral buildup. And what's left? A shining tap that looks brand new, plus the fresh, zesty smell of citrus filling the air. It's almost poetic that something as natural as a lemon is more powerful than most store-bought sprays. And the act of rubbing a bright yellow lemon over dull metal feels oddly therapeutic. Like nature itself is reclaiming cleanliness for you. Next time, skip the chemical aisle. Let the lemon work its quiet magic. 3. The shaving cream mirror trick. Now let's move to something that haunts almost everyone. Foggy mirrors. You step out of a hot shower ready to start your day, only to find the mirror completely blurred. You wipe with your hand, but now it's streaky. You try a towel, and it only smears more. Annoying, right? Here's where the unexpected hack comes in. Shaving cream. Yes, the same foam you use to shave. Spread a thin layer over your mirror, wipe it clean, and suddenly, it stays crystal clear even after the steamiest shower. The secret? Shaving cream leaves behind a protective film that prevents condensation from sticking. It feels like a magic trick. Something so ordinary, hiding in your bathroom cabinet, becomes the hero that saves you every single morning. And let's be real. Starting your day with a clear reflection feels like a small but powerful victory. 4. The overnight toilet cleaner. If there's one part of bathroom cleaning that everyone dreads the most, it's scrubbing the toilet. No one enjoys bending over, brushing for minutes, and still seeing stubborn stains mocking you. But what if I told you there's a hack that lets you clean your toilet while you sleep? Here's how. Before bed, pour 1 cup of vinegar and sprinkle a handful of baking soda into the bowl. Walk away. Overnight, the fizzing reaction quietly works like an invisible janitor. By morning, the stains have loosened, the smell has neutralized, and all you have to do is flush. 5. The 30-second squeegee habit. Now, let's talk prevention. Because the truth is, the easiest way to clean is not letting things get dirty in the first place. And here's the simplest habit you can adopt. Keep a small squeegee in your shower. After each shower, just spend 30 seconds running it over the glass doors and tiles. Cleaning made effortless. So there you have it. 5 unexpected hacks that turn bathroom cleaning from a dreaded nightmare into something surprisingly simple. With vinegar and baking soda, you fight stains with science. With a lemon, you erase watermarks naturally. With shaving cream, you beat mirror fog. If you found these tips useful, imagine how many others could benefit too. So go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and share this video with someone who hates bathroom cleaning as much as you do. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community. Because the truth is, life becomes lighter when we learn to clean smarter, not harder.